students. Okay, how are you all? Okay. Okay, do you know today we are going to study about or learn about pre-writing skills in which include concept of basic writing strokes. Okay, the first one line is standing line. Like Mariam is standing straight. This is called standing line. And the second one is slanting line. Like Ahmad Mustafa show you about the slanting line. He is standing in that position. And the third one is sleeping line. Like Ishar shows you about the sleeping line with action and anabia. Anabia shows like the wavy lines and curved line. And the next one, um, Fatma to Zahra, show you about the circles and the semicircles. Okay, these are the short. This is a short introduction about the concept of basic writing strokes. Okay, clap for yourself, students. Thank you. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Goodbye. Allah Hafiz.